Cyrusher sent me a box in that. Instructions. Well packaged. Fixes and fixes again. There we go. That's the unboxing. Looks nice and solid. Lovely welds on it. No fingers and thumbs here. I'm not going to do it too tight yet because we don't have anything on the bike. That's going to go on the back of the bike. Let's get this one started off on here first. Tighten that up properly and then line it up on the bike. Like I say, I only had one of these in the bag that actually goes through this bit. So I'm hoping the light bolt and a little bike tool fit out. Right size for that. I'm hoping now this is the same bolt as this one, which it is. Happy days. And the other bolt that comes with it now, there, will fit maybe long enough by you now for me to do this. It's not hard to get a bolt. It's going to be long enough over there. You know, I'm just on this one. And I'm going to be able to put my leg back on this one. But I am missing one of these bolts. I'll have to just put 3 bolts in. See if I can get one sent out to me. I think they are 2. The smallest ones, I have 2 tiny ones there. Just turn down a little. Just turn. Make sure that's not tight there. Let. Tighten the other side. Just get everything straight there now. Swap these over because they're different sizes. Same clearance. Nice and straight. Again, so I can tighten them up. The wires in the way here. That's the front mud guard on. I should stop the mud hitting me in the face. Right, let's do the back mud guard. Yeah, this side started on. And that one was there. With all the rain we've had, this should stop it hitting my back. Happy days. Another Fender on, just straighten these up. This is my left and slack. No more wet backs. Just tighten these front ones up there. That should help out in the rain. And I'll come over this side. No, that doesn't fit. And these bolts are long enough, so that fits. Let's go through these. They don't come out. That must have been for the front fender, because that's the same bolt as on there. So I'm missing actual bolts. 3 left. That one being the 4. So the bolt's long enough to go through. That's as far as I can take it. I have to raise a ticket. It'll fit. There's the bolt's long enough to go through this bit. I'm saying that's long enough. But that doesn't go into this. That's too thick. Now these thicker than these ones. These thicker than these ones. These fit, but not long enough to go through the rack. They've got long enough ones to go